You want to? You want to do it, Sally?
You want to pet a capybara?
You got a kangaroo. How is that? Yeah. Oh look, he's the kangaroo is licking Dina.
You gotta make your arms.
You gotta hold it like a baby.
Yeah, make your arms strong so that you.
You want to do it, Avrami? You sure? Sally, you want to do it?
Alright, take pictures.
He just wants to go look at more snakes.
That's a big baby.
Yeah, same thing. Whatever. There you go. Aren't they so
Hudson's giving all the kisses.
Yeah. Rudy's trying to escape there.
So do you guys have like a home base that these belong to, or? Yeah, Safari Farm Kangaroos oh, okay. 15 minutes. We're gonna be careful. We're close for the season now. We just had a special event yesterday.
Was that fun? All right, Dina, you're all done. Say thank you. Say thank you to this lady too, okay? Dina, say thank you.
All right, that's what we wanted here.
Thank you.